I'm here to discuss about plant fibers. Fibers are an elongated fine hair-like structures with pointed ends. Fibers used in surgical dressings are obtained from plants, animals, or man-made fibers. Fibers obtained from plants is also known as vegetable fibers, which includes cotton, jute, hemp, flax, etc. And animal fibers are wool and silk. Man-made fibers are regenerated cellulose fibers like viscose and acetate rayon, and synthetic fibers like nylon and terylene. Fibers can be distinguished based upon the chemical constant present in the cell wall and its microscopical structures. Generally, plant fibers are chemically cellulosic in nature and animal fibers are proteins in nature. Plant fibers can be detected by means of chemical test structures. With the Molish reagent, it produces violet color, whereas animal fibers, being proteins in nature, gives red color with Mellon's reagent. Plant fibers are soluble in coaxium solution, copper oxide ammonia solution, whereas animal fibers is soluble in 5% potassium hydroxide solution. Plant fibers gives blue colors with chlorine iodine solution and also with iodine and sulfuric acid, whereas animal fibers gives a permanent colors with picric acid. On ignition, plant fibers do not produce foul smell, whereas animal fibers, being proteins in nature, produces foul smell. Now we'll discuss about the plant fibers cotton in detail. Cotton is also known as absorbent cotton or surgical cotton. It is obtained from the epidermal trichomes of the seeds of the plant Gossypium species. Nearly 39 species is available. Among these, cotton is largely obtained from Gossypium herbaceum, Gossypium barbadense, Gossypium hirsutum, belonging to the family Malvaceae. Cotton is an ancient plant which is largely cultivated in India and Egypt since 3000 years. Presently, it is largely cultivated in USA, China, South America, and some parts of African countries. Cotton plant is a small trees or a shrub which consists of a capsule type of fruit, 3 to 5 celled, which enclosing numerous seeds. Seeds along with the epidermal trichomes is also known as balls. When the fruits is ripened, the balls is separated from the capsular fruits. Then it is subjected to a ginning process. In the ginning machines will be having a small spaces which will retain the cotton seeds and the trichomes will get separated. The cotton seed is used for the preparation of cotton seed oil and also the seed cake is used as an animal feed. The fibers which is obtained by this process is known as raw cotton. Then it is subjected to a combing process in which short fibers and long fibers will get separated. The long fibers is spun as a cloth and the short fibers is used for the preparation of surgical cotton. The short fibers is treated with a dilute caustic soda for 10 to 15 hours because it contains impurities like wax, fat, coloring matters, and vegetable debris. So it is treated with caustic soda for 10 to 15 hours, which will remove the wax and coloring matters. Then it is bleached with chlorinated soda. Then again it is washed with weak acid for utilization purpose. Then finally it is washed with water, dried and carded into flat sheets, which is known as surgical cotton. The surgical cotton, which is pattern wrappers, is subject to radiation sterilization, that is with gamma radiation. So this is a picture which shows the capsule type of fruits, and this is a seeds which is covered with the epidermal trichomes, and this is a ginning machine which will remove the seeds from the trichomes. Then finally, the absorbent cotton is wrapped with the paper. And the cotton is a white filamentous soft hairs, and at the microscope it shows a unicellular flattened granular structures. It is odorless and tasteless. And raw cotton contains, along with cellulose, it contains fats, moistures, waxes, whereas absorbent cotton, it is purified, so it does not contain fats and waxes. It contains pure of cellulose with 6 to 7% of moistures. Uh, Cotton can be detected by means of general chemical test for cellulose chemical constituents. And with coaxium reagent, this raw cotton and absorbent cotton behave differently. Raw cotton, when treated with coaxium, will swells with ballooning effect and dissolves, whereas absorbent cotton will swells uniformly and dissolves completely. And surgical cotton is also subjected to the absorbency test, in which 1 gram of absorbent cotton wool is compressed to about 20 ml and it is placed on the surface of water at 20 degrees centigrade. Within 10 seconds, the absorbent cotton should get sinks or get saturated. And the cotton has to be stored in a cool place, prevent from microbial contamination. If it is not stored properly, because of microbial contamination, the cotton will become brittle and it loses its absorbing capacity. Cotton is used as a filtering medium and surgical dressings and as an insulating material. The next plant fiber is jute, and it is obtained from the phloem fibers of the stem of the plant Carcoreus species such as Carcoreus oletorius and Carcoreus capsularis belonging to the family Theliaceae. Jute is largely cultivated in West Bengal in the basins of river Ganges and Brahmaputra and also in Assam regions. These places were rich in alluvial soil which is suitable for the cultivation of jute. And jute is an yellowish brown in color, coarse in textures, is 1 to 3 meters in length, hygroscopic in nature, and have a good tensile strength. Among the plant fibers like cotton, jute, hemp, and flax, jute is having a good tensile strength. Now we will discuss about the preparation of jute fibers. When the plant is about the flowering stages, the stem has to be cut and it is tied into bundles. Then this bundles is subjected to a process called retting. Retting can be done by various methods like enzymatic method, steaming method, or by immersing in water. Generally, immersing water is a very ancient technique, but it is largely followed all over. So in this process, the tied bundles is immersed in water and a heavy stone will be placed over to prevent from floating for 2 to 3 weeks. During this times, bacterial contamination will take place. Thereby, the bar can be easily removed, separated from the stem portion. Also, the phloem fibers can be separated from the lamella of parenchyma and parenchymatous regions. After 3 weeks, the bundles will be tapped at the end. Thereby, the phloem fibers can be easily removed from the bark portions, and it is hung up in the sun for drying purpose, and it is bleached. And chemically, jute contains 50 to 53% of cellulose, 20% of hemicellulose, and one more chemical component which is absent in cotton is lignin, which 10 to 11%. Fat, wax, and moisture is also present. So along with the identification test for cellulosic nature, additionally, jute has to be subjected to one test to confirm the presence of lignin. That is, when treated with fluorouracil and concentrated hydrochloric acid, it gives red color because of the presence of lignin. So this is a confirmed test for jute, which is which is given as a negative test for cotton as lignin is absent in cotton. And jute is used for the preparation of medicated towels as a filtering and staining medium, and also it is used for the preparation of coarse bags. The next fiber is hemp. This hemp is also known as India's cannabis or marijuana or marijuana, and it is obtained from the pericyclic fibers of the plant Cannabis sativa belonging to the family Moraceae. Hemp is prepared similar to the jute. Here also the stem portion is subjected to the retting process. This is a picture which shows preparation of hemp. So during the flowering stage, the stem is cut and it is subjected to a riffling process. Riffling means it consists of a steel-toothed comb in which the leaves, fruits, flowers which is adhering to the stem will be removed. Then it is tied into bundles, and similar to jute, it is also subjected to retting process for 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, the fibers, pericyclic fibers is separated from the bark portion, and we will prepare the hemp fibers. And the chemical content present in hemp is cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin. Similar to jute, it is also subjected to the chemical test called fluoroglycerol con HCl to confirm the presence of lignin. And hemp is used for the preparation of ropes, sacks, carpets, nets, and webbing. Thank you.